in the Olympic Stadium. We're doing a loop around the top. Hey, what was your name?
Almost there, Fabio. Fabio from New York.
Fabio from New York.
Is that a half a mile track?
It's got a bump. I don't know.
Walk down and walk the rest of it down below.
Okay. Olympic Stadium, Beijing, China. Let's go back, right? All right. All right. Yeah, we're running the Great Wall Marathon tomorrow. If our knees and ankles can hold out. Yeah, right here. All right. Yeah, we got it, man. Hope they don't stop us from going through. Oh. All right, state your name for the camera again.
Fabio Franco from Rye, New York.
Amen, brother. All right. We're going to get medals for this.
I think so. I think we deserve it. Give us make
Ah. All right.
That was worth the price of admission.
That was worth it all. That's right.
All right.
All right. Closest I'll ever get to Olympic gold. Silver or bronze. Man, I needed that.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Needed to shake all that stuff out.
Yep. No doubt about it. On the outside of the bird's nest.
Oh yeah. Outside, bird's nest. Saw this bad boy on TV a few times. All right. Beijing. Must be Friday, May the 14th, 2010. All right, I believe here's where we came in. Holy smolies, man.
Huh?
We've done it.
Yeah, we did. Oh, no, we got time to spare, Truman.
Really?
Yeah, we got, according to my calculations, we can do another lap.
No, I think I'm going to pass, man. All right.
2:25, we're supposed to be back at the bus 2:40.
Okay, I'm out of here. Hey, there's some more folks.
Lap around the bird's nest. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah.
On the inside.
And you're on video. Wow. There we go.
Yeah, there you go.
Survivor right there. That's the next survivor right there.
Yeah. All right, closing down right now. Over and out.